Intravenous cannula insertion. Quick steps. First, prepare equipment. Intravenous cannula, tourniquet, alcohol swab, gloves, saline flash, dressing and tape. Second, selective vein. Prefer dorsum of hand or forearm. Apply tourniquet, clean with antiseptic. Thirdly, insert cannula, hold bevel up, insert at 15 to 30° angle, see flashback, advance catheter, withdraw needle. And fourth, secure cannula, release tourniquet, flush with saline, apply dressing, dispose of needle safely. And lastly, monitor and document. Check for swelling, pain or leakage, ensure proper IV flow, and record details.